ഹലോ എവരിബഡി, ഞാൻ വത്സല കലാധരൻ. ഇന്ന് ആനിമൽ കിങ്ഡം പാർട്ട് 3 എംബ്രിയോണിക് ലെയേഴ്സ്, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് diploblastic and triploblastic layers. We know when a male gamete fuse with a female gamete, a zygote is formed. Then this zygote will be developing into an embryo. Then embryo will be developing into a baby. During the embryonic development, the cells will be growing and they will be forming layers. These layers are ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. From these layers, all the organs will be developing. So these embryonic layers are of two types, diploblastic and triploblastic. Diploblastic meaning only two layers will be present. Triplo meaning three layers will be present. Diploblastic meaning two layers already I told. There will be ectoderm and endoderm. There will be no mesodermal layer. In the middle region, there will be an undifferentiated jelly-like substance known as mesoglia. This mesoglia will not form any organ. Examples for diploblastic animals are coelentrates and ctenophores. Coelentrates example we know hydra, ctenophores combo jellies they are, sea gooseberry or pleurobrachia. Next, triploblastic layers. Triploblastic meaning three layers will be there. They are ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Three layers will be there. Examples for triploblastic: Platyhelminthes to chordates. Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusk, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and chordates. All these will be coming under triploblastic. Whereas diploblastic only two examples, coelentrates and ctenophores. So next comes coelom. Coelom meaning body cavity that is present between the body wall and gut, gut, gut. Gut meaning alimentary canal or you can say digestive system. There are three types coelom: true coelom, or you can say eucoelom, EU, that is a true coelom. Pseudocoelom, that is a false coelom. And acoelom, A absent, coelom is absent. Animals possessing coelom are called coelomates. Animals with pseudocoelom are called pseudocoelomates. Animals without coelom are called acoelomates. So first one, coelomates. Coelomates already I told. Coelom I told that is the body cavity that is present between the body wall and the wall of the alimentary canal. In the case of coelomate, there will be ectoderm. Here is the body cavity, coelom. This is the endoderm. This is the endoderm. Ectoderm, endoderm. Here coelom cavity that is lined by mesoderm on both sides. This side also and this side there will be mesoderm. The cavity will be lined by mesoderm on both sides, here also and here. This is a coelomate. True coelom. This is true coelom. Examples for coelomates are Annelid, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and chordate. So that is coelomates. True coelom. Next comes Pseudo-coelom. Pseudo meaning false. That is, coelom is present but it is false, that it is not lined by mesoderm. Here, ectoderm is present, endoderm is present, cavity that is also present but it is not lined by mesoderm. Mesoderm is scattered as pouches. These are the pouches. Mesoderm is scattered as pouches. That's why it is called pseudocoelom. Example, only one example comes under pseudocoelom is, that is Aschelminthus. That is important for the entrance. Aschelminthus, that is Ascaris, roundworm. Next comes the acoelomate. A absent. There will be no coelom. That means ectoderm will be there, mesoderm and endoderm. All the layers will be there. There will be no cavity. Coelom is. That is a coelom. Example, Platyhelminthes. Flatworms. These are the examples for coelomate, pseudocoelomate and acoelomates. Pseudocoelomate, very important for the entrance. Example. Next, I will be giving some important questions for the entrance. First one. Name the phylum which includes radially symmetrical triploblastic animals. Radial symmetry already I have taken last class. Here they have asked radially symmetrical and triploblastic. 3 layers will be there. Symmetry also radially. So answer will be Echinodermata. Next. Coelom is the space between the wall of the alimentary canal and body wall enclosed by the layers of dash. Enclosed by mesoderm on both sides. Next question. Examples for pseudocoelomate. Only one example, that is Aschelminthus ascaris. So the remaining portion I will be taking in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.